Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk how to make a perfect succulent potting mix. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so you don't miss any new video. The word succulent comes from a Latin word sucus, meaning juicy. Succulents are a group of plants that store water in their leaves. The leaves tend to be thick and fleshy, but some species have thicker leaves than others. I finally came up with the perfect succulent potting recipe. This is the best soil for the succulents and it's super easy to make. Let's start with the basic of what succulents potting mix needs to be. It needs to be free draining, non-compacting and not too nutrient rich. So today we are going to use Perlite, potting soil and coarse sand to achieve the perfect mix. Perlite retains very little moisture, prevents soil compaction and helps with the better drainage for succulents. In other words, it helps the soil drain faster, which is exactly what we want for the succulents potting soil. Coarse sand, like perlite, is good for preventing compaction of soil and improve drainage in a succulent mix. It also helps mimic the kinds of a sandy and rocky soil many succulents naturally grow in. The last component of our mix is potting soil. Any type of all-purpose potting soil for indoor plants will work as a base to make your own succulent soil. Use whatever you have on hand as long as it's fresh and sterile potting soil. For the purpose of this video, I will use small trowel. Okay. The first step is to measure out your ingredients in the right amount. The perfect ratio for this mix is 1 part of perlite, 2 part of coarse sand, and 3 part of potting soil. So let's go. 1 part is equal to 1 trowel. Okay. So 1 part of perlite. Okay, this is 1 part of perlite, 2 parts of coarse sand. Let's bring out the coarse sand. Okay, 2 parts. Okay, this is 1. Okay, 2. And the last compound is 3 parts of potting soil. 3 parts of potting soil. Okay. Now let's take out. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. And 3. So now all you need to do is dump everything into your mixed container and mix it all together. Okay. Here we go. There you go. There's a perfect potting mix for your succulents. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more.